Ever thought making your first $1 million is out of reach? Think again. Welcome to the world where the $1 million myth is about to be shattered. This isn't some far-off fantastical dream, it's a very real possibility. This video is here to guide you, to provide you with strategies, insights, and examples to pave your path to that coveted first million. So, if you've been held back by this myth, it's time to break free. Ready to debunk the myth and start your journey to the first million? Stay tuned. The magic of compound interest, an underappreciated wealth-building tool. This is not just a statement, but a reality that has the power to transform your financial future. Imagine this. You're in a forest and you plant a tiny seed. Over time, this seed grows into a mighty tree, sprouting branches and leaves. Now think of your money as that seed, the forest. That's the financial market. And the tree, that's your wealth growing over time. This is essentially what compound interest does. It grows your wealth not linearly but exponentially. Let's break this down. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your original money and on the interest you've already received. It's interest on interest, which can lead to your money growing at an accelerating rate over time. Let's illustrate with an example. Suppose you invest $10,000 at an interest rate of 5% per annum, compounded annually. In the first year, you earn $500 in interest. In the second year, you earn interest not just on your initial $10,000, but also on the $500 you earned in year one. This cycle continues year after year, and your money grows at an accelerating pace. And here's the kicker. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. If you start investing at age 25 instead of 35, that's an extra decade for compound interest to work its magic. It's like giving your money superpowers. But you might be wondering, how relevant is this in today's world? Well, let's look at some statistics. The average annual return of the S&P 500, a popular stock market index, has been around 10% over the last century. If you had invested just $1 in the S&P 500 100 years ago, it would be worth thousands today, thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest isn't just a concept, it's a reality that's playing out in financial markets every single day. It's a tool that anyone can use regardless of their income level or financial knowledge. All it takes is a little bit of money, a lot of patience, and a dash of discipline. Compound interest, your silent partner in wealth creation. But what's next? Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. It's a timeless piece of advice that resonates deeply when it comes to managing your money. The concept is simple yet profound. Diversify your income streams to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Think of it as a safety net for your financial health. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. It's like having multiple parachutes. One fails, others are there to save the day. Now let's delve into some examples. Real estate is a classic choice for diversification. It provides a tangible asset that often appreciates over time. Whether it's rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in real estate investment trusts, there's a myriad of ways to create a steady stream of income. Next up, stocks. They offer a way to own a piece of a company without the hassle of running it. Dividend-paying stocks, for instance, can provide a regular income, while growth stocks have the potential for significant capital appreciation. It's like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruits year after year. Another avenue is online businesses. In this digital age, the internet is a veritable goldmine. From blogging and affiliate marketing to creating online courses or selling products on e-commerce platforms, there's a plethora of opportunities to earn passive income. It's like having a shop that never closes, serving customers around the globe. But remember, diversification isn't about blindly throwing money at different ventures. It's a strategic move requiring research, understanding, and patience. It's about creating a balanced portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And of course, having multiple income streams doesn't mean you can rest on your laurels. Staying informed, continuously learning, and adapting to changes are crucial for financial success. Diversification, your shield against financial uncertainty, but there's more. So stay tuned, because we're about to dive into the world of the stock market, your potential wealth multiplier. Scene script: stock market, a game of patience and strategy. Now let's delve deep into the realm of the stock market. It's a bustling world, teeming with opportunities for those willing to play the game with patience and strategy. The stock market, if navigated smartly, can transform into a powerful wealth multiplier. Imagine the stock market as a colossal ocean with each stock representing a unique species. Some species are volatile, unpredictable, and carry a high risk, while others are steady, reliable, and offer a lower risk. The trick is in knowing which species to catch, when to catch them, and when to let them go. Let's take the story of Jane Doe as an example. Jane, a schoolteacher by profession, had always been interested in the stock market. She started with a modest amount, investing in blue-chip companies that had a history of steady growth. Over the years, her patience and strategy paid off. Today, her portfolio has grown multiple folds, proving that you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to make money in the stock market. And then there's the tale of John Smith. John was an aggressive investor who liked to ride the waves of the stock market. He invested in high-risk, high-reward stocks and was not afraid to take chances. His audacity paid off when one of his risky investments skyrocketed, turning him into a millionaire overnight. Both Jane and John had different strategies, but they had one thing in common. They understood the stock market's potential as a wealth multiplier. They knew when to hold on, when to let go, and most importantly, they played the game with patience. Remember, the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform that requires time, knowledge, and a well-thought-out strategy. It's a journey, not a destination. And like any journey, it comes with its fair share of bumps and detours. But with the right mindset and approach, the stock market can indeed become a potent wealth multiplier. The stock market, a wealth multiplier, but it's not the only one. Real estate, a tangible asset with immense potential. Now let's delve into how this sector can help you inch closer to that coveted $1 million mark. Imagine owning a piece of land or a house. It's not just about the bricks and mortar, but the value it holds. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a physical asset that you can touch, see, and utilize. This tangibility provides a sense of security that's hard to match. One of the most lucrative strategies in real estate is rental income. It's like having a golden goose that lays eggs every month. Yes, there are responsibilities that come with being a landlord, but the steady flow of income can be a significant boost to your financial goals. And with the right property management, you can even make it a passive income stream. Next, we have house flipping. This is for those who enjoy a bit of risk and have an eye for potential. It involves buying a property at a lower price, usually in need of some TLC, sprucing it up, and then selling it for a profit. It's a strategy that requires a keen understanding of the real estate market and a knack for renovation, but the returns can be substantial. Then there are real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Think of them as mutual funds for real estate. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without the need to own, manage, or finance them directly. REITs can offer a steady income through dividends and potential capital appreciation, making them a great addition to your investment mix. Remember, real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and sometimes a little sweat equity. But the beauty of real estate is that it offers multiple strategies to suit different risk appetites and skill sets. It's an asset class that has stood the test of time, offering both wealth generation and preservation. Real estate, a tangible step towards your first million. But there's one more thing. Mindset and persistence, the real wealth builders. The journey to your first million isn't just about the dollars and cents. It's about the mindset that drives you and the persistence that keeps you going. Consider for a moment the role of mindset. It's the lens through which you view your financial journey. A growth mindset, one that sees challenges as opportunities for development, can be the wind beneath the wings of your financial goals. It's about believing that you can learn, grow, and overcome any obstacle. Remember, every millionaire has faced their fair share of setbacks, but it's their mindset that sets them apart. They see these setbacks not as insurmountable walls, but as hurdles to be leaped over. And then there's persistence. Persistence is the fuel that keeps the engine of wealth creation running. It's the grit and resolve to keep going even when the journey gets tough. When investments don't pan out as planned or when the market takes an unexpected dip, persistence is what pushes you to dust yourself off, learn from the experience, and get back in the game. Mindset and persistence are the silent partners in every millionaire's success story. They are the unsung heroes that transform financial dreams into reality. They are the pillars that support every wealth-building strategy. With the right mindset and persistence,